Ha! Okay guys, we're ready to go. 2012 Chrysler 200, rear brakes and rotors. It's my wife's car. I've had it on one or two other videos. I'm not gonna lie, the other side was the learning curve. This side, we're gonna knock this out quick, hopefully, and not have a bunch of jump cuts. So we can get this thing 3/4 lug nuts. Gonna loosen them, gonna get it up, get this tire off, and swap everything out, hopefully pretty quick. Here we go. I think I've officially given up on using my DeWalt 18-volt impact to take tires off because it just doesn't have the gusto. So the old breaker bar works. Not that I don't still use the impact to take the lugs the rest of the way off. Got it jacked up, I've got it on some blocks. All the jack stands I have are way too tall and I don't want to put this thing 3 feet in the air. But I leave the blocks and the jack underneath it. Took like 6 years of karate to learn how to do that. Slide the tire under just for a little extra safety there. This gave me fits on the other side, so I'm going to spray these caliper bolts down. They are 14 mil right here. I don't even think I have to loosen this one. What I did was loosen that one and rotated the whole thing up. This one, the brake line is actually in the way. You can't get on it with a socket or a box end wrench. You gotta do it with an open end, and that's a little frustrating, but I don't think it needs to be done. So I got away with it on the other side. We'll do it on this side. Just beat on things till they cooperate, right? Just thread it out. Set that on my roly-poly here. That's it. Literally, that is it. Get this. Yeah. Spray these down. I'm gonna get that back pad out of there so then I can tap the rotor forward because everything's a little tied up. 60 something on this car, and I'm thinking these are original. Come on, bud. There we go. That one's good. The other side was all tapered off and it was metal on metal down at the bottom. Now it gives me a spot to whack-a-mole. There we go. Rotor's off. Brush these little stainless slides that the rear pad goes on. Get this one out of here. Ah! Not in bad shape, but I'm going to squeeze the caliper back. That moves nice and easy. Like I said, not in bad shape, but once you have trouble with one, do them all, do it right. New pads. Don't know if this is right or wrong, but I get a little grease on these ears here before I pop them in. And then you should put them in the proper way. That helps. I'm sure people come across this YouTube channel and they're just going out of their mind watching me farmer fix everything, but there's a DIY channel. A little bit of suburban homesteading. There we go, it's got some movement to it. You bringing me food? That's raw food.
Is it out there? That's the grill? That's the grill. I don't know how.
Say hi to the interwebs.
I thought this was the grill. I thought you used it. Oh, I got it. Can I do the middle?
Sure, but you gotta turn the propane on. Underneath, the one on the left. Take this little plug out of the old rotor, because the new ones didn't come with it, and pop it in that hole. I assume that's for adjusting the e-brake. But clean it all up with brake clean. Ta-da! Did it light?
I don't know. I heard something, but I don't see any flames.
It doesn't flame up like the other one. Gives me a great idea. How to start a grill. We're going to do that. That's going to be the next video. Alright, pads in, rotors in. We're ready to shake and bake. A little bit of grease on the pin. Stick your nose in it. Do you smell propane? Hit the switch again then, but keep it open and keep your face away from it. Put that on as tight as it was on there. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm back. That's it. This should be it. Throw this tire back on. Take it for a spin. You want in on the channel? Can be Stan and Jimmy and Brenda. She loves me. Drop it down, tighten them up. good to go. Let's take it for a spin. Pump the brakes a few times. Get that piston brought back out to where it needs to be. Oh, we're getting there. Let's back it out, let her rip, see if the tire falls off. Brakes. Oh, smooth. Just like butter. Alright, well, I guess I'm cooking brats here in a minute, so get home, wash up, cook some dinner. See you guys on the next one. I've had this stuff sitting in my fridge for weeks. You know what? I found something to do with it. Don't judge me. I don't drink it. I just cook with it.